this series is about developing a custom theme from theme development and core PHP. So at the end of this series, we're gonna build a single page WordPress theme that is fully custom and using a theme development, not using an Elementor or anything, but core theme development. So first of all, what I want to teach in this lesson is that let's speak about WordPress, right? So WordPress is it covers like 50% of websites of total website in the world. So it's a popular it's a popular choice for even at today's point, that is 2025. So for web development, WordPress is still popular. There's another multiple way of developing a website, like using a DB builder, Elementor, or Gutenberg, but the way most popular way is that we're using a core PHP. So we're gonna build a custom theme using core PHP in this city. So first of all, let's speak about our environment. So there is a multiple way, like XAMPP, WAMP, LAMP. So these are the environment, local environment that you need to run PHP code into your local environment. So if your Windows, if your operating system is OS is like XAMPP, like Windows, you can use XAMPP. If it's Linux, you can use LAMP, or if it's Windows, you can also use WAMP. Or if it's a Mac OS, you can use MAMP. Also, there is like Nginx. So you can set up any local environment you feel comfortable. But there is another way of hosting, like running your local WordPress in your local environment that I prefer, and that is called LocalWP. So if you search for this, so this is specifically built for WordPress project only. So there is not much to do. You can just download it. You can download like which platform, Mac, Windows, or Linux. You can choose your like also as your operating system. Then just hit the download button. Then fill this form and get it. Hit this button, then it will download it. And the setup process is not much of a difficult. You can just press next, 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 and it will create like your local environment. So I'm gonna now show you the interface, right? So this is the interface. So I just created myportfolio.com. That's the project we're gonna create. So to create a project, all you need to do is like local sites. Also, you need to log in to your account on the local sites. So after you install, download and install, it will ask to log in, and when you log in, then you can get the site here. Now, so the best part of the creating the downloading this local is that you don't need any LAMP or WAMP configuration in your local environment. You can just create here, like if you click there, it will show this like this for PHP admin. Like you can see there is a this is the server is running. You can check the URL myportfolio.com.global, that is myportfolio.com. So all you need to do is like you can just create the WordPress file and it will create everything for it. So if you want like a site folder, you can right click here and then it will show you the structure like this. This is a site configuration. The folder will be in config in app topic. So this is the content from myportfolio.com. So you can create your as multiple site as you can, and you can just run here, like you can stop it from here, and if you want to open it, you can just click here, and everything is done here, done by here. So if you need a database, you can click here. So you So this is a useful environment for to work with WordPress projects. So download it and set up in a local environment. So this is how it's gonna run. So I just created a basic WordPress and downloaded, set up the WordPress project using a local. So you can also download that and create a project called myportfolio.com to keep up with the series on creating a portfolio website in WordPress using a course in development.